How to update Western Union mobile application. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update Western Union mobile application. The Western Union application is the widely used mobile platform that enables users to send money, pay bills, and manage financial transactions securely and conveniently. Here's how you can update your Western Union application. For that, first of all, you will need to open your Google Play Store if you are using an Android device, and you can use the App Store available on your device if you are using iPhone or iOS devices. Here, since I'm using Android, here I'm going to open Google Play Store. Now once you open the Google Play Store, make sure you are logged into your Google account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here in this page at the bottom right corner, you will be able to locate the search icon. Simply tap on it, and then in this page, on the top, you will be able to see the search bar. Simply tap on it and there type in Western Union app. Once you enter the keyword, now press on the search icon of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be presented with the search results. Now here, you will need to find the authentic Western Union mobile application. Once you find the authentic application, simply tap on this app icon, and then inside it, here, you will need to now locate the update button. If you see the update button, go ahead and tap on it and then wait until it gets up to date. If you didn't see the update button, that means your application has already been up to date. Here, I am able to see the open button instead of update, which means my application has already been up to date. But if the update button is available, then you will need to simply tap on it and wait until it gets installed on your device. After update, you will be able to see the latest features, security enhancement, and bug fixes. Simply tap on this open button once after updating, and then you will be able to use the updated version of your Western Union mobile application. So by following these steps, you should be able to update Western Union mobile app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.